Hello everyone, welcome back. We have all been there. You download a massive research paper, you need the abstract, you nod your head, and by page 3, you are lost. You realize you have been staring at the same paragraph for 10 minutes and you have retained absolutely nothing. This is called passive learning, and as of today, it is obsolete. Today I'm gonna show you how you can use Google's awesome tools like NotebookLM Studio and other tools to shift from passive learning to active learning. This is Google's NotebookLM. I'm going to show you how I use these new studio features to deconstruct any complex document in minutes. Then I'll show you a crazy new integrations Google just dropped for students, teachers, and researchers. Let's jump in. Now we are in the Google's Notebook LLM. I've uploaded a dense paper here to demonstrate this. Instead of passively reading the test, I'm going straight into the studio. This is the new command center that turns static text into interactive tools. First feature, flashcards. This is perfect for testing your baseline knowledge before you can even start studying. It scans the document and auto-generates the key terms for you to quiz yourself. It turns reading into a game immediately. But here is the real power. If you flip the card and short answer isn't enough, you don't have to leave the app or search Google. You just click explain. It instantly jumps into a chart with the document and expands on that specific point. It's like having a tutor right next to you. Next feature is the mind map. For complex papers, linear reading is slow. This tool visualizes the hierarchy of the arguments. You can see the parent concepts and child concepts, giving you the bird's eye view of entire structure in seconds. And just like the flashcards, this is interactive. If you see a specific branch you want to drill into, you simply click the node. It pulls the relevant context for that section instantly. This allows you to navigate a 50-page document non-linearly, focusing only on what matters to you. And that's not it. If you are a visual learner, use the infographic feature. It synthesizes the main points into a clean one-page graphic. This is incredibly useful if you need to put this data into a slide deck or just want a cheat sheet to save for later. And finally, the video overview. This takes the entire text and converts it into an engaging audio-visual discussion. You can literally watch the AI explain the paper to you while you drink your coffee. It makes digesting heavy content effortless. Here is an example.
Today, we're digging into something really cool coming out of Google research. It's a new paradigm for AI called nested learning. And look, this isn't just some small tweak or minor upgrade. It actually challenges the fundamental way we think about building artificial intelligence. So let's dive right in. So what's the big deal here? Well, to really get it, you have to start with this incredible analogy from the paper.
That's the power of Notebook LLM. But Google recently launched few more features for students, teachers, and researchers. Now you can literally integrate your Notebook LLM notes into Gemini. Once you organize your material in Notebook LLM and you want to use them, watch how we can connect this directly into Gemini. We go to plus menu, select Notebook LLM. This is the bridge. Now Gemini has the context on every flashcard and note I just made. I can ask it questions based on the knowledge I just incised. And second feature is for the students who are preparing for the SAT. If you think the interactive tools are cool, look at what they did for test prep with Princeton Review. This simulates a real exam environment right in the chat. It's not just generating the random questions, these are verified SAT problems. You're working to the math module, but what's the learning moment when you fail? You got the question 11 wrong. It doesn't just grade you, it coaches you. It explains the logic you missed so you don't make the same mistake again. This is the future of studying for any certification. And finally, for teachers, watch how we can use Classroom tool to analyze any student data. You can ask it to look at monthly threads from September to October, and you want to know where the gaps are. It analyzes the actual grades and tells you where the gaps are. Well, teachers out there, this is the tool for you. So here is the bigger picture. This isn't just about a cool tech update. We are witnessing a fundamental shift. We are moving from an age of passive consumption to the age of active mastery. And honestly, Google is absolutely killing it right now. They are pushing features that don't just answer your questions, it actually teach. They're giving us tools that force our brains to work better. I believe this is just the beginning. This is the huge step towards redefining the entire education system our kids are going through. It's time to rethink. It's time to rethink how we teach. It's time to rethink how we learn. This is incredibly exciting. But as a society, we have a lot of work to do to embrace this shift, and let's start that today. Thank you for watching this far. I'll see you in the next one.